Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. Today we're going to be looking at the OWON XDM1241 3.5-inch LCD Multimeter Portable. And that's a mouthful. This is something whether you're starting to get into electronics or you're already there and you'd like a second meter, this one is a model worth looking at. There are two versions of this. Thing number one, this runs on a pair of 18650s and it also works with a 5-volt 2-amp DC connection. Now the beauty of the 18650s is at some point those will start to have a shorter lifetime or may even fail on you at some point. This is an easy to open device. You can change the batteries out, so that's not a problem. Due to its sizing, it can be either used as a bench meter or one that is portable or handheld. And this has got a lot of versatility to it, and this is something well worth looking at. It comes with quite a bit of cabling. It gives you the cable to charge. It also gives you the cable to interface to a PC so you can capture readings on it, and it gives you your set of probes. This is a bonus thing here, and this would be thing number 4. The readings can be recorded in manual and auto modes. So if you're trying to keep track of what's going on, it will record that, and then you will attach to the PC over the USB port that's white there that you will see, and you will connect to a PC, and this will appear like it's just like a USB flash drive, so you can get the readings off that way. So this is very handy to have. One note, do not expect this to have much of any power. So I would strongly encourage you, as soon as you get it, I know we all like to power up and see what's going on, charge it for probably 4 to 5 hours. The back of the LED that's on the back near the barrel jack and under the Type-C connector will tell you when the batteries are fully charged. But now if you have some problems with color blindness, best thing I tell you is at least 3 hours, probably 4, and then you should be good to go. On the other side is if you have a good 18650 battery charger, that's also an option here, but that's totally your call. So take a look at this one and think about adding it to your collection today.